Hello everyone. I hope we're all doing well. Today, I'm reaching out to you with a humble heart, asking for your support during this difficult time. My son, Sus Manuel, is in need an operation. And as a parent, it is breaking to see him through this. I want nothing more than to give him the medical he needs, but the expenses are overwhelming. I know times are tough for many, but any help, whether big or small, will make a difference in Sus Manuel's journey to recovery. Your kindness, prayers, and generosity will mean the world to us. If you're able to contribute in any way, please know that we're forever grateful. And if you can simple sharing this message will already be a great help. The bottom of my heart, thank you so much. May God bless you, your loved ones, and abundantly. Thank you.